What's up, guys? So we're down here at the creek today. They just stocked us today with some brook trout. Got a little homemade spinner on here, so let's waste no time, guys. Pitcher on in there. So they can't get a trout, guys. So they can get some first cast magic. They're in here all right. It's just I'm trying to find where they're at. No. I think I see one right there.
Hey, Cooper.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're recording. I'm gonna throw him in the creek.
Got him.
No.
Fish on the atomic teaser, baby. Gotta love it.
You caught that off my string.
Nah. Stop talking crap, Caleb. Stop talking crap.
Hey, I've done caught 8. I only kept 5.
This guy's coming home with me because I love me a brook trout meal. Heck yeah, guys. Not a bad little brookie. Got to freaking love it. Let's get this guy, let's get the atomic teaser out of him, and then we'll pop him on the stringer. He's bleeding a little bit, so this would be a perfect contender for stringer anyway. Alright, guys. Pitch that atomic teaser back in there so you can't grab another one. So you get up here under the bridge. Just let her bounce the bottom down to the where the fish are. Watch me, I will. Don't you leapfrog me, boy. Do it, you little slop sucker, you.
What do you say?
I said, do it, you little slop sucker, you. Oh yeah, there's still plenty of fish right here.
No, they're not.
Oh yeah, they are. I've seen them. They all went crazy from my atomic teaser. Ooh.
I'm gonna jump in that creek standing.
I swear, if you jump in the creek, buddy, you better not. Your mama gonna kill your britches.
How would you give me for jumping in?
You're not jumping in the creek. It's too cold for that. Sean, another little brookie.
Oh,
Yeet that sucker in the net, boys. Got to love it. Pretty brookie kicking y'all's booties, and she gone. Oh well, she's a little guy anyway. Alright, guys. Got one down there interested in the atomic teaser. Gonna jigger down in there. Oh, there he was. Darn it.
where he is?
Don't catch my fish, man.
Well, I'm real good.
I'm gonna get so much hate comments today. YouTube's got to freaking love it. Oh. Alright, what the heck, man? You know I'm filming right now.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold my finger.
Nah. Better jump in the creek. You better not be. Your mom's gonna kick your booty.
Wait, go sinking.
Ooh.
Help me out. I'm stuck.
I'm about to catch it. About to catch this fish right here.
Help me, I'm stuck. Help me.
You got it. Just take a step back.
I'm trying, but
Little brookie, baby. Gotta love it. Absolutely wanted that atomic teaser, guys. Gotta love it. Look at that. See that little brookie? He's gonna be a good little meal right there, but look where did that atomic teaser just absolutely freaking choked it. Doesn't matter, we'll be keeping them today, so. But heck yeah. Got this little brookie right here. Just pop her on the stringer with her little buddy. Heck freaking yeah, guys. 2 beautiful brookies. Gotta love it. Alright, guys, here we go.
right before dark, it just started biting me just all at once.
Yep, that's why you gotta hold it out a little bit. Oh, I rolled one right there. Got him. Pink speckled putt, baby, right in the beak. Gotta love it. Old trout flip. Heck yeah. Got that speckled pup right in the beak of the mouth. Where you want it. That's why you gotta hold it out here. Wait till the end of dark here and catch a fish. Fish on. Another beautiful brookie. So we can trout flip this guy on up. Probably one of the nicer ones of the day. Heck yeah. Not a bad little brookie, guys. Gotta love it. Well, guys, pretty much gonna wrap it up for the fishing today down here at the creek. We caught 4 brookies. Really slow day. Slow eating as the evening kicked in. That's when the trout started to bite a little bit better. We caught two on the atomic teasers and 2 on the NRV bait speckled pups. We did hook that one that we did lost, a tiny little brook on the atomic teaser. Anyway, you want some more fishing content like this in the future, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!